Okay, it's
anyway,
recording.
John Travolta's got a 747.
Right.
Parks it right next to his front door.
Go ahead. No, go ahead.
He flies his own plane.
Go ahead. Go, please. Please, just go on. No matter what I do, just stay right there. Look that way just a little bit. Okay, right there. Now go ahead and talk to me.
Well,
Please, don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Come on, you got to do this for me.
Okay.
Come on. I'll make the noise. Go ahead and talk.
I can't.
Go ahead and talk. Move your hands. Your hands in the way. Okay, go ahead. Polly want a cracker. Polly want a cracker.